Welcome back, students. So see the next problem. So question number 8. Show that the relation R in the set A. Set A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Given by R is equal to the A comma B such that mod A minus B is even. So the relation is R equal to order pair A comma B such that mod A minus B is even. Is an equivalence relation. We have to show that that relation is an equivalence relation. Okay. So see the solution. So first write the given set A is equal to the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the relation is R equal to the A comma B such that mod A minus B is even. Mod A minus B is even. Okay. So now let us check the reflexive relation. Reflexive. Okay. Take any number from this set A. So I consider let 3 belongs to the set A. Okay. The relation is A minus B. Mod A minus B. I have to check 3 comma 3 belongs to R or not. So for that, put in the relation mod A minus B. This is 3 minus 3. Okay. This is equal to the 0. 0 is an even number. Dear students, keep remember 0 is an even number. So is set A then the number 3 consider madina. 3 belongs to the set A. So reflexive is the 3 comma 3 consider madbodu. 3 comma 3 belongs to R agtadella check madakatini nanu. So mod A minus B da put ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. A ಅಂದ್ರೂ 3 ನೇ, B ಅಂದ್ರೂ 3 ನೇ. Mod A minus B. 3 minus 3 is 0. 0 is an even number. Is even. 0 is even. So it means 3 comma 3 belongs to the R. Okay. So ಇವನ್ನ ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಸೆಪರೇಟ್ಲಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕೊಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ ನಮಗೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಜನರಲಿ for all A belongs to the set A comma A belongs to the R. Therefore R is reflexive. R is reflexive. So for our confirmation, just take a number and put in the relation, check it is a reflexive or not, then write generally. Okay. Next relation is symmetry. Symmetry. So consider any two numbers. Okay. Like we have to consider two numbers in such a way that mod A minus B is even. Okay. So consider 2, 4. Like 2 comma 4 belongs to the set A. Okay. If I consider 1 comma 2, if I consider 1 comma 2, 1 minus 2 is not a even number. Therefore, we should consider two numbers in such a way that mod A minus B is even. Later we check for the B comma A, that is B minus A. Okay. Now, so put these two. 2 comma 4 belongs to the R. This implies mod 2 minus 4 is equal to the minus mod 2 is equal to the 2. 2 is an even number. So 2 is even. Okay. Now 4 comma 2 belongs to the R or not. We have to check it first. Okay. Put in the relation 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. So is an even number. Is even. Therefore 4 comma 2 belongs to the R. Therefore R is symmetric. R is symmetric. We can write it directly. For all A comma B belongs to the A comma B belongs to the R. That is A minus B is an even number, and B comma A such that mod B minus A is an even number. Therefore B comma A belongs to the R. This implies R is symmetric. Okay. Now transitive relation. ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು we should consider two order pairs in such a way that those two order pairs should satisfy this relation. Okay, so let us consider 1 3 5. I consider three numbers 1 3 5 belongs to the set A. Okay, so now 1 comma 3 belongs to the R. This implies 1 minus 3 is equal to the mod minus 2 equal to the 2 is even, right? Is even number. Next 3 comma 5 belongs to the R. This implies 3 minus 5 is equal to the 2 is even number. So now we have to check for A comma C, that is 1 comma 5. 1 comma 5 implies 1 minus 5 equal to the mod minus 4 is equal to the 4 is even number. Therefore 1 comma 5 belongs to the R. So this implies R is transitive relation. R is transitive relation. So therefore the relation R is reflexive, symmetric and transitive. We can say that it is an equivalence relation. Any relation, if it is reflexive, symmetric and transitive, then we call it as a equivalence relation. Therefore R is an equivalence relation. R is an equivalence relation. So this is an important question already asked in the 2016 and 2018 March annual examination for 3 marks. Okay, next question. Show that each of the relation are in the set. Set is given. See here, x belongs to the z such that x is less than or equal, greater than or equal to 0, less than or equal to 12. So the set A is from 0 to the 12, including 0 and 12, given by. So first one is R is equal to A comma B such that mod A minus B is a multiple of 4. So this we have to show is an equivalence relation. So this question is asked in 2016 March annual examination. Okay, next the second one is R is equal to A comma B such that A is equal to B is also an equivalence relation. We have to show these two are equivalence relation. Okay, so first I will write given set A is equal to the x belongs to the z such that x is greater than or equal to 0, means including 0, and it is less than or equal to 12, 0 1 2 and so on up to the 11 12. This is the one step. Next, take the relation. First one, R is equal to the A comma B such that mod A minus B is a multiple of 4. Is a multiple of 4. We have to show this is an equivalence relation. Okay, so first check the reflexive relation. Reflexive. Okay, for all A belongs to the set A, any element from the set, for all A belongs to the A comma A, I am checking A comma A, putting the relation A comma A minus A is equal to 0. 0 is a multiple of 4, is multiple of 4. Okay, so therefore A comma A belongs to the R. This implies R is a reflexive relation. R is reflexive relation. Next, symmetric. Symmetric. So let us choose the two numbers, that is for all a comma b belongs to the set A. For all a comma b belongs to the set A comma b belongs to the R. This implies mod a minus b is multiple of 4. Okay, so this implies I will take minus sign outside, minus, it becomes minus b minus a is multiple of 4. Okay, this implies mod minus b minus a, minus will remove, b minus a is multiple of 4. So therefore b minus a is nothing but a b comma a. Therefore b comma a belongs to the R. So it means a comma b belongs to the R, then b comma a is also belongs to the R. Therefore we can say that R is a symmetric relation. R is symmetric relation. Okay. So you can put any numbers from this set also. Okay, that are multiple of 4. Next is transitive relation. Transitive. So transitive relation. Transitive. Let us, that is for all a, b and c belongs to the set A, B, C belongs to the set A comma B belongs to the R. So A comma B belongs to the R. This implies mod A minus B is a multiple of 4. Multiple of 4. So we can write it simply A minus B is a multiple of 4 also. Okay. Next, B comma C belongs to the R. This implies. So in the B comma C na mod B minus C is a multiple of 4. Is a multiple of 4. So mod remove ಮಾಡಿ we can write the only b minus c also. That is also multiple of 4. Mod is nothing but it will give the positive value of the s. Okay, b minus c is a multiple of 4. Multiple of 4. So now see these two, a minus b is also multiple of 4, b minus c is also multiple of 4. Multiple of 4 elements, sum of multiple of 4 elements is again multiple of 4 elements. So nodri a minus b multiple of 4 ಐತಿ, b minus c multiple of 4 ಐತಿ. ಇವೆರಡನ್ನು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದರ ಸಮ್ಮನು ಏನಾಗಿರ್ತೈತಿ multiple of 4 ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ. Therefore a minus b plus b minus c is multiple of 4. Is multiple of 4. So minus b plus b we can cancel here. A minus c is multiple of 4. So we can apply mod for this because it is positive value only now. Therefore mod a minus c is multiple of 4. Okay, this implies a comma c belongs to the R. So a comma b belongs to the R, b comma c belongs to the R. Now a comma c also belongs to the R. Therefore R is transitive. R is transitive. So the relation R is reflexive, symmetric and transitive. Therefore we can say R is an equivalence relation. R is an equivalence relation, right? So Question number 9. In that first question, mod A minus B is a multiple of 4 is an equivalence relation. Okay, so let us see the second one in that. That is A comma B such that A is equal to B is an equivalence relation. So it is very simple one. So I have to show that is an equivalence relation. Okay. So write the second one. R is equal to A comma B such that A is equal to B. So this relation is also defined on the same set A 0 to the 12 numbers. Okay. First one, reflexive. This is A. For all A belongs to the A comma A. We have to check A comma A. A is equal to B. This implies A is equal to A. Here A is up to B is also A only. A equal to A. Every number is equal to itself. Therefore, A comma A belongs to the R. So this implies R is reflexive. R is reflexive. Next is symmetric relation. Symmetric. So for all A B belongs to the set A. For all A B belongs to the set A comma B belongs to the R. This implies A is equal to the B. Put in the relation A is equal to B. So we can write it as a B is equal to the A also. Therefore, this gives B comma A. Therefore, B comma A belongs to the R. This implies R is symmetric. Very simple sum. This one. A comma B such that A is equal to B is an equivalence relation. Okay. Next is transitive. So for all A, B, and C belongs to the set A. Okay. A comma B belongs to the R. This implies A is equal to the B. Call this equation as a 1. Next, B comma C belongs to the R. This implies B is equal to C. Call this equation as a 2. So see here, equation 1 is A is equal to B. Equation 2 is B is equal to C. So we can write from 1 and 2 A is equal to the C. Therefore, from 1 and 2 A is equal to C. So A is equal to C means A comma C belongs to the R. A comma C belongs to the R. Therefore, R is transitive. So R is reflexive, symmetric, and transitive. We can say that R is an equivalence relation. R is an equivalence relation. So this is the question number 2 in the 9. Okay, that is A is equal to B is an equivalence relation. Okay, see the question. Let R be the relation in the set 1, 2, 3, 4 given by R is equal to the 1, 2, 2, 2, 1, 1, 4, 1, 4, 4, 1, 3, 3, 3, 2. Choose the correct answer. Answers are R is reflexive and symmetric but not transitive. R is reflexive and transitive but not symmetric. R is symmetric and transitive but not reflexive. Last is R is an equivalence relation. So let us solve this one and choose the correct answer. Set is A equal to the 1, 2, 3, 4 and the relation is R is equal to the 1, 2, 2, 2, 1, 1, 4, 4, 1, 3, 3, 3, 3, 2. Okay. So for the reflexivity, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4 should belongs to the R. So check 1, 1 belongs to the R, 2, 2 is also is there, 4, 4 is there, 3, 3 is there. So therefore R is reflexive. Okay. Next symmetric we have to check. 1, 2, 1, 2 belongs to the R. Its reverse, see its reverse 2, 1. So 2, 1 not there. This implies 2, 1 not belongs to the R. Therefore not symmetric. It is not a symmetric. Next check for the transitivity. 1, 2, 2, 2 is there. So it is not possible because A, B, B, C should belongs to the R. So now go to the next 1, 3, 3, 2. Check these two. 1, 3 belongs to the R. 3, 2 belongs to the R. And what about A and C? That is 1, 2. 1, 2 is there, so it is present. 1, 2 is also belongs to the R. Therefore, it is transitive. So, given relation is reflexive, not symmetric, and transitive. See, reflexive, transitive, not symmetric. So, option B is right. So, these are the important questions. Such a questions will ask in the annual examination for 1 mark. Okay, keep remember this. Next is question number 16. C16. Let R be the relation in the set n. Set n is the natural number here given by R equal to A, B such that A is equal to B minus 2. A is equal to B minus 2, comma B is greater than 6. B is greater than 6. So choose the correct answer. Order pair 2, 4 belongs to the R, 3, 8 belongs to the R, 6, 8 belongs to the R, 8, 7 belongs to the R. So take the relation B is greater than 6. So they mention A is equal to B minus 2, B is greater than 6. See A, B, A, B, A, B, A, B. See here B is 4, it is less than 6. So leave this, it is not possible. Okay. Next 3, 8, put in this relation. 3 is equal to 8 minus 2. 3 is equal to 6. It is not possible. So second one is also not possible. Next 6, 8. A is equal to 6. B equal to 8 minus 2. So 6 is equal to 6 and B is also greater than 6. B is 8 here, it is greater than 6. So it holds, it is right answer. And check for this also because B is 7 greater than 6, A is 8. So putting this A equal to 7 minus 2, A equal to 5. So this is also not possible. Therefore, right answer is 6, 8 belongs to the R. So, dear students, this completes your exercise 1.1. Okay, in the next class I will start the functions. Okay, thank you.